How to stop automatic tabs opening in Google Chrome. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix automatic tabs opening in your Google Chrome. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. So the first step that you'll need to do is tap on the three dots in the top right corner of your Chrome and then head over to the settings option. After you're on settings option, head over to on startup, and right here, for some people it's on open a specific page or set up set of pages where you just add a new page and it opens that up. So make sure that this button is not on. Make sure that open the new tab option is turned on. After you do that, you're basically good to go. But if that does not fix your problem, head over to privacy and security, and after you do that, you can just head over to site controls. You can just change your settings to default. Now my bad, this was not where I was supposed to be. So after you're there, you can open up another tab, and on here you should see extensions. Tap on manage extensions, and now remove any extensions which might be causing your Google Chrome to open a new tab up. So yeah, the reason why it's opening new tabs is due to some extensions that you have pre-installed. So you can easily remove that. It should be really easy, and yeah, you can remove extensions and you're basically good to go. Now after you do that, you can head over to your default browser option, where you can just go here and tap on make default to change your browser settings to default, and with that your problem should get fixed. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.